What if I told you for $75 an hour, you could get direct one-on-one access to a certified public accountant who will teach you everything you need to know about accounting? Because in your daily life, when you're running your business, or when you're trying to invest and buy stonks because you think you can beat the index, that's your problem, not mine. You need to understand financial statements. Financial statements and accounting are crucial for any business operation. Now, most CPAs charge an arm and a leg, but Strongman, since he's such an amazing person, he's such a good guy, and he's Strongman. Can't hate him. He is willing for $75 an hour to teach you anything about accounting. So, I'm announcing your ability to book time with Strongman. That's right. You, if you pay me delicious, sweet money, can book one-on-one time with me. You can see me. You can talk to me. We can talk about whatever, with some exceptions, of course. So, who are we talking about? Well, we're talking about me. That's Christopher Allen Bell. I know I have my shirt off and I scream a lot, but I am a certified public accountant, licensed in the state of Virginia, and I'm a certified government financial manager with 5 total years roughly in accounting. The bulk of that was in the government, and I have about a year and some change in tax. What? If you want to book a one-on-one session with Strongman, you can do it. Now, what are we going to talk about? Well, I am an accounting tutor, okay? I have over 550 hours roughly of accounting tutoring on a website called Wyzant. You can go look me up. And I had an average of 5-star ratings. I crushed it, okay? And I taught various accounting subjects on there. But Wyzant charges me 25% of my top line revenue for fees. And I said, why would I pay Wyzant money when I could just directly teach people? So this is kind of what this is. If you want to learn about accounting, any subject except for audit. I don't like audit. You want to learn a little bit about tax. You want to learn a little bit about financial accounting. We can book a session and go over whatever you want. If you have homework, if you're in school, I'll teach you accounting. I'm an accounting tutor. That's what I do, okay? We can book a session together. Now, if you just want to hang out with me, okay, you want to pay me $75 to hang out with me, I guess you can. That's on you. But what I will not do is I'm not going to give you a stock tips, okay? This isn't like a stock picking session. I know there's some people out there that think I secretly give stock tips. I don't. If you meet with me, I'm going to talk about accounting, or we can just hang out, whatever you want, okay? But what I'm not going to do is I'm not going to tell you hot stocks to buy. I'm not going to give you lessons in stock valuation. I'm not going to tell you I think this stock's undervalued or that stock's undervalued. And I'm not going to give you specific financial advice. Okay, I'm not going to look at your finances and tell you to sell this and buy this. No. I am licensed as an accountant, and that's what I will discuss. If you try to bring us over into stock picking, no, okay? I mean, I can talk about my general life philosophy. Like, yeah, I keep 5% of my money in individual stocks and 95% in index funds. Okay. And I put most of my money in 401k. Okay, I can tell you that over again. But I'm not going to give you stock tips, okay? So when can we meet? Whenever you want. Basically, I'm free most days after 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. Eastern. What you'll do, here's the process. You pay me up front with the specific amount of time that you want. You pay me, and then after you pay, we will find a time to meet via email. Eventually, I'll get a calendar system set up. But as of right now, you pay me, and then you email me. If I don't get back to you within a day, email me again. And then we will find a time via email communication to meet. I am generally free most days after 8 p.m. Eastern. Where are we going to meet? We're going to meet on Google Meet. Okay, I'm not going to meet you in person unless, I actually know you. We're going to meet on Google Meet. There's no downloads required. I'm just going to send you a link. You'll get a calendar invite with a link, and you just click on the link, and boom, you're in the discussion with me, okay? Make sure you have a microphone, at least a microphone, so we can talk. Now, to pay me, you pay through any of the following. You can click this link, PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo. I don't care, okay? Once you pay, you must email me at, this is my email, christopher.a.bell18, to let me know how long you want to meet and when you can meet. We will then book a Google Calendar meeting. That's it, okay? You pay me first, you email me, we set up a time. Why? You can learn various topics from a licensed accounting professional instead of YouTube frauds. Very specific topics. Accounting, okay? I'm not giving you stock tips. You can go to Jeremy Lefebvre if you want that. Pricing. I charge $75 per hour. And trust me, for a CPA, that is insanely cheap. And at some point, I'm probably going to raise prices, okay? But right now, I'm charging $75, and that's actually a steal. I mean, I'm not even joking. Go ask any CPA in your area. If you want an hour of their time, how much? They're going to say, oh, I don't know, $150, $200, or some people charge $300. I mean, yeah, okay, $75 per hour. You will pay in half-hour increments. If you want to meet, we're going to do either 30 minutes, an hour, hour and a half, or 2 hours. That's it, all right? For example, if you want a half an hour, you pay me $37.50. 1 hour, you pay me $75. 1.5 hours, $112.50. 2 hours, $150, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, okay? I don't want to meet for 35 minutes, 45 minutes. No, I want to keep it very simple. You pay me for 30 minutes. Now, if you pay me for an hour and we only do 45 minutes, 50 minutes, okay, well, you're going to eat the difference. I'm sorry. That's just how it's going to be, okay? There are no refunds after we meet. After, okay? If I meet you and I teach you accounting, I'm not giving you a refund unless, like, I've totally screwed it up. Like, if you're like, Chris, teach me the balance sheet, and then I teach you how to eat carrots, of course, I'll refund you. I mean, I'm not going to screw you over. But if I meet you and I teach you, and you're like, yeah, this is great, and then you email me, I want a refund. No, you're not getting a refund, okay? I will refund you if you cancel at least 1 hour before. Last-minute cancellations are non-refundable. So if you just bail on me, no. You got to tell me at least an hour before. Otherwise, I'm keeping all your money. You pay me $150 and then you just bail on me? I mean, unless it's like an absolute emergency. Okay? Like somebody in your family collapsed and you can't make it. Okay, I'm not a dick. But if you're just like, I got so high, bro, I couldn't make it. Yeah, you're not getting a refund. Okay? And finally, Christopher Bell is a certified public accountant in the state of Virginia, but he's not a licensed financial advisor. I'm not going to give you financial advice. I'm not going to sell you any whole life insurance. Christopher Bell highly encourages you to do your own research and to consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision. Yeah, I got to say that. Christopher Bell is also not your CPA. I am a CPA. I'm not your CPA. I don't understand your tax situation. Please consult a tax professional who understands your specific tax situation before making any tax. I'm not doing your freaking taxes for you, okay? I don't have the insurance and all that. I don't have like an official tax business, if you will. But if you want to, if you're like, hey, what's a qualified dividend? Like, okay, I'll teach you that. But I'm not going to tell you how to do your taxes. I'm not going to give you tax tips because I don't know your situation, okay? So that's it. This will always be available. Pay me, email me, boom. We'll set it up. Bada bing, bada boom, accounting. And that's it. You have any questions? Email me. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.